All right, what up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Another episode of Trending Crypto. I am your host Ryan Matta. We're going to dive right into it today. 3commas bots versus Bitsgap bots. What are the easiest cryptocurrency trading bots to set up for an absolute beginner? Let's dive right into it. All right, and before we dive into it, I want to let you guys know that I am from the USA, and 3commas was trying to tell me that I couldn't get bots up and running because the exchanges like BINANCE US was having issues sending signals because of regulations by the United States government. I then jumped over here onto Bitsgap, and I was able to get bots up and running within a few hours with no experience. And I'm saying a few hours because I had to watch some YouTube videos to actually figure out how to get these things actually up and running. I watched one video. I've had bots running now, several different bots, tons of different bots. Just to show you guys, my Cardano bot that I gave $2,000 to has made $65 in the last day. My OMG bot I gave $4,000 to 13 hours ago has made me $19. What you see here is these coins are in the red because the actual price of the coin has gone down in value. But even though the price of the coin has gone down in value and these coins are still somewhat not on an uptrend, I'm still making profit. My bots are still making me money. So I've given this bots a total of $1,999, so $1,100, and they've made me $151 in the last 24 hours. So you figure off $1,100 investment, I'm making about $150 a day easy, and the market has not been in our favor for crypto bots over the last couple of weeks. It's kind of been all kind of plateaued, and we kind of just been steadily kind of even downtrending almost. So that being said, if the market turns around and this bull run picks back up full steam ahead, you're gonna see these bots absolutely kill it. If not, I still just have to recalibrate them, and I can still make really good money even though the market's not booming. 3commas, I can't tell you the amount of bots that I tried to get up and running. For 8 days, I worked and attempted to get this exchange up and running or get trades actually taking place using these bots on their website. I spoke with 5 different team members. Not one person could give me any indicator of why my bot was not placing orders. Besides that, the signals weren't working. It was just excuse after excuse. They don't have phone support. It was all through like live chat. And you know how it is. You're busy. You got things going on. You don't want to be wasting 8 days worth of time. Like I got so frustrated that I was getting behind on putting out YouTube content. I was getting behind on everything because I was wasting so much time trying to figure out how to get these bots up and running. And a lot of bots don't make a trade right away. It might be an hour later, it might be 25 minutes later. Now the grid bots should make trades constantly. And that's where I was just kind of frustrated because my grid bots weren't working, my DCA bots weren't working. I could not get any bots to work on this platform. I asked them for a refund after they told me that the Binance signals weren't working because that was the main exchange I was using. Asked them for a refund, and this was 3 days after my trial expired. I signed up for the year plan, which was like $250. I asked for a refund because the bot didn't work. I bought it to use on the Binance US exchange. They told me it would work. I went to put it and deploy it and it would not work. And they told me that it wouldn't work because of issues with whatever their software or couldn't get signals, whatever the case may be. They wanted me to pay for the 1 month that I was actually started to use. They were refusing to refund me for the 1 month. So then I was like, okay, whatever. I'm going to lose out on 1 month. I might as well try to use this platform. They told me that I needed to set up Coinbase Pro because Coinbase Pro would work with their platform. I went up, set up a Coinbase Pro account, put $2,000 in the account, paid a ton of Coinbase Pro fees that are outrageous, transferred a bunch of money there, withdrawal fees from my bank, you know, probably another $30 worth of wasted transactions getting that $2,000 onto Coinbase. But I was all excited because it was going to make my 3comma bots work and I was going to be up on the 240 I just invested in this platform. Nothing, not one bot traded. 8 days later, I was never actually able to make a trade. The only thing that I like about 3commas was their smart trade system. It automatically links to your exchanges. So if you want to trade a coin, you can set buy orders, sell orders, and then you can also set take profit ranges. So you can say at like 50% take this profit, at this percent take that profit. And it was really easy for a beginner to actually get on here and actually understand how this part of it worked. I like the charts that they got on here. There are a few things that I actually like about 3commas. So if you're not from the United States and you can use the 3-day trial period, I think it's worth giving it a shot. And I'm going to leave my affiliate link code down below, which which I don't know why, because I probably make like a free month subscription, which I don't need. But I do like using this sometimes just to place like individual trades, especially if I might have to be walking away for a little bit. It's just really easy to set up on here versus on Binance, where it's a little bit more complex. And I like that you can do all of your trades on all exchanges from one place. So if you're new to cryptocurrency and you're trying to buy coins that are on different exchanges that aren't actually in one local place, this would be a good place to start, because once you link up your exchanges, which is really super easy to do, you can just buy and sell right from this one platform, and you don't have to constantly be logging into every different exchange and all those different things. Now, Bitsgap, on the other hand, was just been performing so well for me. So if we take a look over here at Bitsgap again, just to show you guys, again, my initial investment now is $1,100 something, and I've made $152. This thing constantly keeps going up because it has set parameters that it uses. So I have allocated a set amount of money that it can use to buy XLM, OMG, all those things. It's really so easy to set up. You have two different strategies to choose from. You have SBOT and Classic. SBOT is more for when the market looks like this, where it's just continuously like staying between your grid lines. It's never really going any drastic highs or any drastic lows. If the market's trending upward, you want to use your Classic bot. Super user friendly. It tells you, you're going to invest per grid, which is about $13 US per trade, give or take, how much you need to set up. You can set up trailing up, so it'll actually move your grid lines up as the price is trending upward. Only downfall is it doesn't move them back down. So if you know that the market's going to go up, go ahead and turn on your trailing up. And then you can also set stop losses. You can set take profits. So I can actually say, okay, I'm going to give this bot $2,000, and when it makes me 30% profit, sell out all my shares and cash me out for cash. So this is a great way. If you know a market's going to be trending up, you're going to go up 10% in a day, turn your bot on, take profit for 10% with a trailing up. So that way it'll just trail up, and then as soon as it hits its stop loss or take profit, sell it out, and you're good to go, and you'll walk out with everything, and you won't be sitting there in the market waiting for that next bull run to come to an end. So I'm going to have another video probably in a couple of days where I'm actually going to go through and actually teach you guys how to set these bots up. We go over every bot every night in my live stream, and we go over them in the morning in the live stream. So if you guys want to jump in and sign up for one of these bots on Bitsgap, and you guys want to talk about it and talk with somebody that actually knows what they're doing and understands how to set it up, definitely jump in our live streams. You can subscribe to my channel. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below. But as a beginner looking to get started on a bot, if I'm looking to trade through multiple exchanges, it would definitely be using Bitsgap over 3 commas, 100 times over. And if you're actually looking just to invest money in a crypto on one exchange and have a bot set up that you don't have to actually pay additional money for, the Kucoin app is the easiest thing to use. You can see other people's bots. So if I want to set up a bot for, say, Cardano or IOTA or Ripple, whatever the coin is I want to set a bot up for, there's already people that have already programmed in these strategies. So you can actually go on there and see, okay, that strategy in the last 2 days has made like 30% profit for Cardano. So I go ahead and click on that. It automatically you just have to tell it how much money you want to give it. You want to give it $100, $200, $50, whatever. I'm sure there's a minimum order that you can give it, but I gave 5 bots $100 each, and I picked the top performing strategies and I turned them on. And again, grid bots on that, option bots, or what do they call them? Let me look on here. Yeah, so I always use the classic grid bots on Kucoin. I never actually use the DCA bots. DCA bots are more for long-term positions or longer-term positions. Your grid bots are going to constantly buy up and down on grid levels. So it's going to be constantly buying and selling, doing micro trades, making 50 cents, $1, $2, $5, $3, $2, $5. And then over a period of like a couple hours, 24 hours, obviously my bots have made $152. And my bots aren't even performing that well. There's other bots that perform way better. I'm going to work on dialing these all in. I still got a lot to learn about it. So I'm going to be sharing that experience with you guys. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. If it does, could you do me a favor? Please hit that subscribe button, drop a comment below. Let me know if there's any other bots that you've been using. I know I've heard of Cryptopher. I think that's also another really good one, but that one was more limited to what it could do. It didn't have the grid bot options when I last looked into it, and there's some other things that I didn't like about it. And you can see over here on Bitsgap, you can see other bots that have been built by other people with strategies, and I believe you can just click on those bots and it'll automatically pull up their bot and the strategy that they have set up, and you can just tag along and use their exact same settings, and then just change the investment to the amount of money that you actually want to invest. That way it'll reset your levels and everything like that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for stopping by the channel. I appreciate every one of you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.